Today, you're going to learn how to file taxes with a $10,000 income using ChatGPT as your personal tax assistant. I'll show you the exact prompts you can copy and paste to understand your filing requirements, estimate your tax or refund, and gather the right forms. This tutorial is perfect for beginners, students, part-time workers, freelancers, and anyone earning a low to moderate income. Before you begin, gather your income records such as pay stubs, bank statements, 1099, or any documentation that shows how you earned the $10,000. It also helps to know how much tax was withheld, if any. If you're unsure what counts as taxable income, the first prompt will clarify that for you. Start with this prompt. Tell me if I need to file taxes in the US with a $10,000 income. Explain the rules in simple terms. This gives you an immediate yes or no based on filing thresholds, age, and dependency status. Next, use this personalized guidance prompt. Ask me questions about how I earned the $10,000. Then tell me what tax forms I need and whether I might get a refund. After answering, you'll receive a tailored filing plan based on your income type, employment, freelancing, gig work, or mixed income. If you want help estimating your tax, use this. Estimate my tax or refund based on a $10,000 income and explain the calculation step by step. This helps you understand how withholding, credits, and deductions affect your final result. To better understand credits, use this prompt. Explain which tax credits I might qualify for with a $10,000 income and give simple examples. And that's it. Filing taxes on a $10,000 income becomes simple when you follow clear steps and stay organized. You only need to use ChatGPT at the beginning and end of your process. Comment down below the topics or challenges you want help with so I can show you the right prompts to get the most out of ChatGPT.